Thank you, Svartur, for sending me this crochet hook set to try. I am so impressed with the case to start with. It's lightweight, it's very slim, and everything comes together in it. Here are the crochet hooks. There's a pocket here that you can put a pair of scissors, needles, and some stitch markers. That's all I need when I travel or when I crochet in the car. I can have all those sizes starting from 3 millimeters here, going all the way up to 10 millimeters here. This is 9 and 10. And I can start any project I'm thinking of and be ready to work. So I've been working with 5.5 millimeters. And here it is. I like it that there's no gap where the handle and the head of the crochet hook meet. It's smooth, it doesn't snag on my fingers. It's a very good length of the crochet hook. It doesn't rub here at the edge of my hand, and actually it sticks out a little bit. It's quite pointy, the tip of the crochet hook, which I like because I need to go through very small stitches when I work. And let's test it out. So here's my project, and it just slides through my stitches. I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous hook, very pretty and very easy to work with. It slides here, it glides, and the result is just beautiful. And here is 3 millimeters crochet hook. I crochet doll clothes, like Barbie size clothes, and I use a very thin crochet hook with a crochet thread. So here it is. It goes just fine through very small stitches, and I like it that I can go through those tight spots with that nice pointy tip. I'm very, very impressed. Thank you, Svartur, for sponsoring this video. There will be more helpful information in the description below. Make sure you subscribe and check out the other crochet and knitting tutorials on my channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Subscribe.